Maya, can you say hi?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. What did you do today?
I make races and then I draw.
You drew? Did you use glitter?
This glitter,
Yeah. Did you use glue?
glue,
And did you take a nap?
take it out.
Did you go to the pool? Wait. Did you go to the pool?
Cool,
Pool?
cool,
Did you have fun?
going cool.
You went in the pool. Did we see boats? Ooh, pretty. Okay, Maya, can you say bye-bye to Daddy and good night? Can you say I love you, Daddy? Can you blow a kiss to the camera? Can you look at the camera? Honey? All right.